Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. So in this video we'll talk about how we can enable virtualization in Gigabyte b450 motherboards. So let's get started. First and first we have to shut down or restart our computer or laptop. Then we have to wait until system starts booting up. Then we need to press F12 key in our keyboard at the time of system boot. It will take you to the boot setting, and then we need to select enter setup in the drop down, and under MIT section you need to select advanced frequency setting, and under advanced frequency setting you have to select advanced CPU setting, and in advanced CPU setting you can see SVM mode that is disabled. You have to enable it, so make it enable, and after enabling it you have to just save and exit. So it will take you to the boot up, and when your system boots up again, then virtualization is enabled in your laptop or computer.